Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2004 to 2012 Chevy Colorado or GMC Canyon pickup truck. We're installing a 2.5-inch ProComp leveling lift, and the kit's really simple to install. We have no tips when it comes to installing the lift kit. The only thing that we have to say is, on this customer's truck, we are installing wheels from a Chevy half-ton. He wanted to get rid of his smaller Canyon / Colorado wheels, and so we went to install these wheels, and the center bore of the Chevy Colorado or GMC Canyon is 4 inches in diameter, or like 100 millimeters, and the center bore of a half-ton Chevy is 3 inches or 80 millimeters. And so you need to make sure that you either have your wheels bored out or you get some wheel adapters with a large center bore. Besides that, the lift is very simple to install. Go buy it yourself, go throw it on, just make sure you have these wheel adapters. If you have any questions, leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or call us at 833-268-2577. Thanks.